Okay, so as you can see, not the best condition for the old girl. She is filthy. She's covered in bird poop. And that's just a mixture of being at my place and being at my mate's place. Look at this. This is definitely my mate's place. So Marilyn is in a mess, so we're going to get stuck into cleaning her, get her looking back to fantastic self. And let's get all this crap off. Okay, so that's looking more like it. That looks way better. I'm going to leave it here for today because the sky is turning to you know what. And I'm going to back this into the garage, get this sort of prepped up. But plenty more coming up with the Monaro. Glad to have it back. Very exciting time. So thank you all so much for watching. Check us out on Instagram and Facebook under the Panda Garage on both. Chuck up your ride on there. Show us what you got. And until next time, guys, my name's Matt. This has been Panda Explorers. I'll see you guys next time.